For this example, we're going to solve a word problem using rational expressions. It says if it takes Sam 3 hours to wax the floor and it takes Bob 5 hours to wax the floor, how long will it take Sam and Bob to work together? Okay, so what we can do is we can use the formula 1 over T1 plus 1 over T2 equals 1 over big T. So T1 is the first person's time, T2 is the second person's time, and the big T is the time it takes them to work together. So T1 will be 3 because it took Sam 3 hours, plus T2 will be 5 equals 1 over T. And now we want to try and solve for T. There's a couple different ways to do this. We can either clear the fractions or we can add the fractions and try to work with them. I'm going to suggest let's clear them. So to clear the fraction, we first have to find the least common denominator. So between 3, 5, and T, the least common denominator is 15T. And now we have to multiply 15T times every single fraction. So all the tops are 1, so this will be 15T over 3 plus 15T over 5 equals 15T over T. And now we can reduce. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so we have 5T plus 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we have 3T equals, these T's will cancel out, so it equals 15. And now we can combine like terms, and we get 8T equals 15, and we can divide by 8, and so T equals 15 over 8. Or you can write this as 1 7/8 hours. Don't forget units. So it will take Sam and Bob 1 7/8 hours if they work together to wax the floor. And that's our final answer.